Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to upgrade your ride with cutting-edge tech, enhanced convenience, and top-notch safety features, you're in the right place. We'll explore a range of products that add power, innovation, and style to your driving experience. Make sure to check the description below for all the product links. Imagine hassle-free charging on the go. This Belkin wireless car charger is designed with MagSafe compatibility to keep your iPhone 16, iPhone 15, 14, or 13 series fully powered while you drive. Its magnetic attachment ensures a secure grip, and the included power supply makes installation a breeze. Enjoy effortless charging without messy cables, making your commute safer and more convenient. Transform your car's infotainment with the ZEMBUKIL Apple CarPlay screen. This 7-inch HD portable car stereo touchscreen offers seamless integration between your smartphone and your vehicle. Benefit from wireless Android Auto, voice control, mirror link, and GPS navigation. The built-in backup camera feature adds an extra layer of safety, delivering a central hub that unites connectivity and entertainment in one sleek design. Say goodbye to tangled cables with the Ottocast U2-Air wireless CarPlay adapter. This smart dongle converts your existing wired CarPlay setup into a wireless system with plug-and-play simplicity. Utilizing a 5 GHz Wi-Fi auto connect system and online updates, it ensures that your iPhone pairs effortlessly with your car's OEM system. It's an effective solution for modernizing your car's connectivity without replacing the entire system. Safety meets innovation with the REDTIGER Dash Cam Front Rear. Offering both 4K and 2.5K full HD recording, this dash camera covers all angles, from the road ahead to your vehicle's rear view. Featuring built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, a 3.16-inch IPS screen, night vision, a 170-degree wide angle, and advanced WDR, it records every detail, even in low-light conditions. The 24-hour parking mode adds an extra layer of security, ensuring that your car is monitored around the clock. Enhance your situational awareness with the COBRA RAD AD480i laser radar detector. Designed for long-range detection, this device leverages advanced laser eye technology for both front and rear radar detection. With Bluetooth connectivity and compatibility with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, it integrates seamlessly into your driving system. The digital signal processing further refines detection accuracy, giving you timely alerts and enhanced safety on every trip. If you enjoyed this review, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more tech reviews and automotive insights. Check the description for all the product links and additional details.